Hey y'all, welcome to episode 53. On today's episode, we are going to take a look at how to oil and grease all the proper points on your NP10 Skiving machine. So let's take a look.
There are various oiling spots all over the NP10 Skiver. Good practice and proper oiling maintenance should be done every 10 hours of operation. There are three areas for grease maintenance. The first two areas are both ends of the top roller shaft joint, and you only need to grease this as needed. Finally, under the gear plate, you will need to grease this grooved area once every 4 blade sharpens. That's it. All the oiling and grease points to help your machine run smoothly.
Alright, that's it for today. I hope this information has helped. Take care, and I'll see you on next week's episode.